Right, so we're all packed up again and going on a ride. It's a beautiful day today. So today we're going to find a supermarket and another shelter. So Emma's not on the back because the path is a bit sketchy.
We krijgen het laatste stuk, hè?
Ja, ik gleed met mijn voet weg.
Oh ja, zonde.
Kunnen we snel helpen?
1, 2.
Yes, nice. Kijk maar. Zo is goed. Koffer oké?
Helemaal oké. Hij lijkt een kleine deuk gemaakt te hebben. Hier aan de zijkant. Daar, een klap hebben we gehad. Oh ja, hij... Oh, gaat het bij deze ook? Ja, dat kan bij deze ook. Hij is helemaal goed.
Oh ja, hij is wel redelijk ingedeukt hier hoor.
Ja?
Bij het pootje raakt hem niet meer. Kijk,
Oh ja, ja, dat
de
is
koffer
de
is naar binnen gegaan.
We just went to the supermarket and got some food for this evening. Right now we're on our way to a shelter. Hopefully it's a pretty one.
Yeah.
With a better smell. This morning we had some bad luck. The wind was going the wrong way.
Yeah, and the toilet was upwind of our tent, so you can imagine what happened.
Yeah, exactly.
And they told us they were camping with 30 people on one island with one shelter the day before, so
Imagine the smell.
yeah.
Yeah. Glad to be gone.
Yep. So I dropped my bike this morning. Most shameful thing ever to do as a motorcyclist, you all know that.
Nah.
Everybody has dropped a bike and you immediately feel the shame and feel stupid because you think oh, I shouldn't have done this or shouldn't have done that. In this case I set my foot down on slippery grass and it just got away from me, which is stupid. And the most stupid thing is I kind of tweaked my back because I was trying to hold it upright. You should never do that because you can't. And it's just bad for your back.
Yeah, and we're together, so
Yeah,
you can just...
there's no reason to hold it up. We can just get it upright again together.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Nice bridge.
Mm-hmm.
But it's great. I'm very glad the stuff didn't get damaged too much. Only the suitcase had a little dent in it, so that's great.
Hoi. So this is our 5th shelter this day. We've been driving from 6 o'clock in the 7 o'clock in the morning until now. I think it's around 5ish. We had a bit of bad luck. So this is an okay shelter. It's nice, not so dark. So there's one a bit farther away, so we're going to that one. So the first shelter we went to was not there. The second one was there, but was a bit... There was no place to place the tent. Oh yeah, the bridge. You will see a shot with the drone from it. It was really pretty. Then the one afterwards that was not there as well. And then we had one that was really pretty. We were 5 minutes there. We were just setting up camp, so we covered up the motorcycle. We sat down, had a drink, but then someone came along and said like, "Hey, this is a private road. You can be at this shelter, but the motorcycle can't stay here because the road's getting close. So we were gonna block it off. Now we're at this one, and yeah, we don't really. It's not our place to be. So we're going a bit farther away, but it's not too far. I think it's like a half an hour again. And hopefully we get a decent spot and we can make a campfire because we want to make some kind of pizza. Tot zo.
All I'm keeping track of is the weather. And there's no wind, no sun, nothing. 80 days and I'm not feeling better, but a sweet relief is finding me. There's no love under the portrait. Ain't got no loyalties, no one to please. I just got that glue. With more than ever leave, setting my soul free.
Mooi. We found another shelter. A good one this time. It's up this hill, so there's like tiny road up there. But I'm gonna show you the path to it. Let's check it out. So it was a long way, and we checked it out, and then we went back again to a camping a bit farther away to get some things for a campfire because there wasn't any wood here. You can see it over there. It's really nice, this one. Not a lot of place to set up a tent. The ground is all or stone or it's covered with a lot of roots. We don't want to set it next to the campfire. But yeah, check it out. It's really pretty. And it's really clean inside. And we're thinking about setting a tent up just over here. So the tent will be over here on this rock, but we can manage with a few other rocks. We can set it up and will work out fine, I guess. And then the campfire's over there. Alright, so tot zo. Mooi. This is it. We've got a fire lit. We're making some sticks to get some pizza bread dough around it and stick it above a campfire and make some kind of pizza. Calzone, eh? And I will show you the tent and how we had to set it up. It was quite a job. We had to do it with stones because the whole thing is all made out of stone. So there's just a thin layer of moss above it, and but it works. I think it's standing quite well. We used a bucket on the other side. There was a bucket over here for the campfire, but we used it to hold up one of the stakes, one of the sides, because it is a bit high and otherwise it will be flat. I'll show you a bit of the interior as well. Voila! Looks like home for tonight. But yeah, I think it will work out if it doesn't get too windy. Right now it's okay. And we'll report back to you, I think, tomorrow, because we're quite hungry. It's getting late, and we're a bit tired. So, tot zo!
Mooi. As you can probably hear, it's raining again, and we expected this actually. The forecast was telling us it was going to rain. It was dry until the minute we decided to get up, but we're now going to try to put all the stuff in the shelter a few steps away, just to keep it dry, and maybe we'll manage to keep the inside tent dry. And then we're going to ride out to probably a camping to charge some stuff, and take a good shower. we smell like campfire and wild people. So
And wild people.
you'll see that in a minute. Tot zo.
Tot zo. Nice. Waar is dat?
Awesome.